Hey guys, so this is just a quick review of the ProTouch keyboard protector. I've been using it for about maybe a week or so, and so far it's a really good product. There's not much to complain about. Okay, so one thing about it, it's made with microband technology. It's supposed to protect it from like bacteria and stuff like that. But what I noticed that is that it seems to it attracts like a bunch of little dust and stuff. But it's really easy to clean. You can just clean it with water and soap. It tells you on the website to clean it with warm water and soap or something like that. One good thing about this is that it does have a nice, good fit to your keyboard, and it adjusts exactly to where it's supposed to. Just that it does pop out at the edges. I'm not sure if you guys can see that very well, but that's pretty much the only complaint. And you do want to make sure that when you do put it on, you do clean your keyboard before, because then all that dust that you had on there is just going to stick on the back of it, and it's really not going to help your keyboard in any way. So that's about it. So I got mine from iSkins. I paid $34.99 for it. It comes in, I think, 7 different colors. I'm not sure. You get this type of this type of color where it has 2 different colors, and you can see like the little design. And I think they do have classic ones that is just one plain color, which is I think for $24.99. I'm not sure about that, but I will put the link and the rest of the information in the underbar. If I had to rate it, I would give it 5 out of 4 stars, because I don't like the fact that, I don't know, I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but some of the letters, like, well, 1 or 2 letters are, like, the paint is starting to come off, and I don't like that it attracts dust to it. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but see some of that dust right there. But, it's really good, and it seems like it's very stretchable. And it does fit, like, very comfortable on your keyboard. It just put it on like that. But I don't know if you guys can see the edges. It just pop out a little, but there's nothing really big to complain about. So that's about it. Hope you liked the review, and don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up if you liked it.